students, today we will do exercise of chapter 5. What books and burials tell us of history? So let's start from question number 1. Match the column. So here you see Sukt. The answer is well said. Chariots used in battles. Yajna, sacrifice. Das, slave. And megaliths, stone boulder. Okay. Now question number 2. Complete the sentences. Here some sentences, incompleted sentences is given. So we will complete this. Okay. See. A. Slaves were used for. Megaliths are found in. Stones, circle or boulders on the surface were used too. Portholes were used for, and people at Inamgaon at. So see the answer. Answer number 1 C, and answer number 2. Slaves were used for do whatever work their masters wanted. ठीक है, slave means होता है दास, है ना. तो दास का यूज किस लिए किया जाता था कि उनके मास्टर उनसे जो काम करवाना चाहते थे उसके लिए. सेकेंड, मेगालिथ्स आर फाउंड इन. मेगालिथ्स मतलब वही बड़े बड़े जो स्टोन्स थे, स्टोन बोल्डर्स, वो कहाँ पाए गए. सो द दक्कन, साउथ इंडिया, इन द नॉर्थ ईस्ट एंड कश्मीर. ओके. Now see, stone circles or boulders on the surface were used too. Stone circle या boulders surface में यूज किए जाते थे. ठीक है, तो किस लिए यूज किए जाते थे. तो आंसर है इंडिकेट दैट देयर वर बरियल बीनीथ. ये इंडिकेट करने के लिए कि वहां पर नीचे बरियल से कब्र है. ठीक है. नाउ डी, पोर्ट होल्स वर यूज्ड फॉर एंटरिंग द बरियल प्लेसेस. पोर्ट होल का यूज बरियल प्लेसेस में जाने के लिए किया जाता था. एंड ई, पीपल एट इनाम गांव. एट इनाम गांव के लोग क्या खाते थे. बार्ले, वीट, पीस, पल्सेस, राइस, मिलेट्स, fruits and शीशम. Also animals, flesh and fruits. Okay. Is, in what ways are the books we read today different from the Rig Veda? So the answer is C. The books we read today different from the Rig Veda because the books we use are printed while Rig Veda was recited and heard rather than read. The Rig Veda is in old or Vedic Sanskrit. Okay. Now question number 4. See. What kind of evidence from burials do archaeologists use to find out whether there were social differences amongst those who were buried? So the answer is, in Brahmagiri, archaeologists found a skeleton buried with 33 gold beads, 2 stone beads, 4 copper bangles, and 1 conch shell, while other skeletons have only a few pots. This helped archaeologists to find social differences amongst those who were buried. Here you see a dagger from megalith burial. Okay. Now question number 5. In what way do you think that the life of a Raja was different from that of a Dasa or Dasi? Okay, so answer is, the Raja did not have capitals, places or armies, nor did they collect taxes. Okay, taxes. Generally, the sons did not automatically succeed father as Rajas. There were people who did not perform sacrifice and probably spoke different languages. Later, the term came to mean das and the feminine dasi or slave. Slaves were men and women captured in the war. They were treated as the property of the owners who could make them do any work they wanted. Okay. Now question number 6. Find out whether your school library has a collection of books on religion and list the names of 5 books from this collection. So see the answer. The 5 books on religions are Guru Granth Sahib, religion है Sikh, Zoroastrianism, Jain-e-Avastha, Islam, Quran, Christians, Bible, Judaism, Old Testament. Okay. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, Write down a short poem or song that you have memorized. Did you hear or read the poem or song? How did you learn it by heart? तो ये आपको खुद करना है कि एक पोयम लिखनी है जो आपने याद की हुई हो। ठीक है, आपको देख कर नहीं लिखना है, जो आपको याद हो वो पोयम लिखनी है। ठीक है, और उसके बाद ये उसमें लिखना है कि वो आपने कैसे लर्न किया। ठीक है, नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 8, in the Rigved people were described in terms of the work they did and the languages they spoke. In the table below, Jir in the names of 6 people you know, choosing 3 men and 3 women. For each of them mention the work they do and the language they speak. Would you like to add anything else to the description? तो ऋग्वेद के टाइम के 3 वुमन और मैन का आपको नाम लिखना है, उनका वर्क लिखना है, उनकी लैंग्वेजेस लिखनी है कि वो किस लैंग्वेज को यूज करते थे। ठीक है, 3 मेन्स एंड 3 वुमेन्स। तो ये एक्टिविटी भी आप खुद करेंगे। ओके, हियर योर चैप्टर 5 इज कंप्लीटेड। राइट इन योर नोटबुक।